Good morning, everyone, and welcome to day 3 of Learn with Laura. Today, we are going to think about another thing that I do with my class every single day, which is that I describe a 2D or a 3D shape to them, and they have to work out from the properties of that shape which shape I am talking about. It's something you can do with little children and bigger children through primary, and actually some of my GCSE students don't always know the properties of shapes, so it's not a bad thing if you've got some older ones as well. If you have got younger ones, a really nice activity to do is to give them some shapes on a piece of paper and ask them to go and find them around the house. It's fun. They can draw what they see. They can tell you that the clock is a circle. They can tell you that the ball is a circle probably, and you have to correct them and tell them it's a sphere. But it will keep them occupied and might give you a little bit of time for a sit down and a cup of tea if you're a parent and you are watching this. So today I'm going to ask you, everybody watching, to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down below in the comments and tell me what shape I am talking about. Now, normally I teach year 2 at the moment. We don't do very complex shapes, like complex quadrilaterals and things like that, or multi-sided polygons. But for the purposes of today, I will make some a little bit more tricky to see if you can work it out. Okay, shape number 1. Shape number 1 is a 4-sided 2D shape. It has 2 pairs of equal length sides. It has no lines of symmetry. The opposite angles of the shape are equal. I think you've got enough to work out that shape. Did I say that the opposite pairs of lines are the same length, the pairs of sides are the same length? I hope so. They're the same length and they're parallel. That is definitely enough information. Okay, number 2. The second shape I am going to describe to you is a 3D shape. This 3D shape has 5 faces, it has 5 vertices, and it has 8 edges. 5 faces, 5 vertices, and 8 edges. What shape am I talking about? Is there more than one shape with those properties? I know which one I'm thinking about. I wonder if you can find one that might have the same properties as that. Number 3, shape number 3. Shape number 3 is another 3D shape. This 3D shape has 5 faces. It has 6 vertices and it has 9 edges. That is definitely enough information to tell you what that shape is. If you don't know what a vertice is, it is the corner, we might have said in old parlance, but the correct term is a vertice. Okay. The next one, shape number 4. Shape number 4 is a 2D shape this time. I'm going to make it a little bit harder, not much, to see if you can be very precise in your answer. So this shape, this 2D shape, has 9 edges, 9 sides. Sorry, Mrs. King. Has 9 sides, 9 corners, but all of the sides are not the same length. They are not equal length. What exact shape am I talking about? And finally, shape number 5. Shape number 5 today is going to be another 3D shape. This 3D shape has no vertices, but one apex. And it has two faces, one flat circular face and one curved face. Now, at the moment in teaching, if it's a curved surface, some people are saying it's not a face. In my school, we do, so I'm going to carry on saying it's a face. So it has two faces, one flat circular face and one curved face, but no vertices. It has got one apex. What is the shape? Right, everybody, I am going to sign off for the day. Lots of things to do still, you know, cleaning out kitchen cupboards and things like that. I hope you are all staying healthy, all staying safe. See you on the other side.